Hi, I'm Lisa from Lori's Country Cottage. Welcome to How Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to make one big star, a simple table center from pieced tree patterns. Here are the supplies for one big star. You'll need a fabric for the center, fabric for the points, as well as fabric for the background. My center is the print, my points are blue, my background is green. I chose green also for my binding and my backing. Don't forget to use Acorn fabric solution or best press. We're using bias edges in the old school manner, so stabilize your fabric before you start. Cut your fabric according to the pattern. We're making old school flying geese. I could have done the math to use my Studio 180 design wing clipper tool, but I didn't because I was only making 4 flying geese. Add your first triangle, aligning the bottom and the right edges. Stitch with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press the seam allowance away from your center triangle or the goose. Don't use steam and don't touch your bias edges with your iron. They're flexible. Add the second triangle, again aligning the bottom edges and the right hand edge. Press your seam allowance away from the center. Trim your dog ears, being sure to leave a 1/4 inch seam allowance at your point. Add the smaller background triangles to 2 of your flying geese. Remember, don't touch those bias edges with your iron. Be sure to sew the correct edge of your background to the sky fabric. It should look like this. Lay out your units to make sure they're situated correctly. Stitch the side flying goose to the center square, being sure to stitch accurately so your points aren't lost. Add your second flying geese to the other side. Now add your top and bottom units. Here it is completed. Trim away your dog ears and clip any threads. Layer with your batting and your backing. Pin and quilt. I did a simple stitch in the ditch and I stitched across the center. I used my binding ease tool to press my binding. Watch my how-to video on binding alternate angles to help you bind the corners. This is a great project to add embroidery or applique to the center square. It also has nice big areas for custom quilting or ruler work. I really love this pattern, one big star. When I need a quick gift to make, this goes together really fast. And it's easy to pick fabric. Just have a focal fabric and 2 coordinates. Make sure to check out our how-to video on binding unusual angles to help you put that binding on. Thanks for joining me for How Tuesday.